Yes, what's up money makers, what's up legends, welcome back to the anonymous YouTube channel. So guys, as you know, we promised you we have to make sure that everyone grabs that financial freedom. So guys, those that have been following my lessons, my streams, my whatevers, guys, this time around let's try at least taking this stuff to the next level. Because guys, currently I've been teaching you about the market structure, about the break-off structure, and those stuffs, guys. So guys, as you know, it's like a person going to school. You have to first attend a baby class, top class, and whatever. So those stuffs of break-off structure, whatever and whatever, those stuffs have been for, let's say, P1. So guys, this time around let's try at least going to P2. So those that have been following our anonymous YouTube channel, all of you guys, you have been promoted to P2. So let's try let's try at least learning these new stuffs, guys, that will be helping you more. So this time around, those that have been following, guys, we have recently studied about the market structure. Let me first do this for you right here. So we have started, those that have been following, we have started about an uptrend, downtrend, whatever, the break-off structure. So I hope, guys, you have been following and you have managed to learn something from that P1. So guys, let's promote you, all of you, to P2. Let's try learning something new. So those that have been following break-off structure, retest, whatever, so guys, let's at least try to modify in something new. So guys, in my recent video we talked about price and time. So if you combine the break-off structure, whatever, if you combine them with the price and time, guys, you are going to be 90% accurate in the market. So I talked about the 4 p.m. candle open, guys, those that have been following. So guys, if we get our I always told you, always get the different candle before the momentum candle that breaks the previous swing high. I told you that just to make some stuff simple, like for it, if I had told you in the beginning that we always look for the 4 p.m. candle, guys, that could have been a bit difficult. But I told you we shall be always looking for the different candle before the momentum that breaks the previous swing high. That could be a bit easier. As you can see here as the different candle right here. Again, we received, our market came in and retested, and again you can see here it retested. But this time around, let's try at least not being slaves in the market. Let's try understanding time. Let's say you say by let's say if this candle opens at 4 at like a 4 p.m, you just know it will come back and retest, then it will push back to the previous 4 p.m. candle. So that's about price and time. So let me show you this trick, guys. So those lines that you are seeing in your screen, guys, these lines are just marking the 4 p.m. candle. You can see right here, this is the 4 p.m. candle, 4 p.m. candle. So whenever you're going to approach any asset, at least first try to mark them all. You see how price has moved, how many lines they haven't mitigated so far, because at times they will leave those candles without being mitigated. So if you see this price like here, it moved and this on this 4 p.m. candle right here, but at least the price moved and came back and dropped onto this 4 p.m. candle right here. You can see it's a 4, you can see here down on my screen right here, it's a 4 p.m. candle right here, but at least this price came back and dropped into this range, then it's buying. So let me explain more about this, guys. So we shall start from here, just not to make stuff so complicated. So guys, why did I say always look for the different candle that makes the previous swing high? The previous, let's say, where is the candle? So here, let's say this is our previous swing high. You can see here, let's say this was our previous swing high right here. Then this is the momentum candle that breaks the previous, that supports the breaking of the previous swing high. So we shall get that different candle right here. Here it is. Let me show you. Here it is right here. So you see how price just dropped into this range, guys. I could have said this, but at least here we have to use sometimes our knowledge. But this time around, guys, it's going to be different. At times we'll use that knowledge, that those that don't want to disturb themselves. But for those that want to take this stuff to the next level, guys, we shall be using time, the 4 p.m. candle open. So this is the 4 p.m. candle open right here, guys. You can see this is the candle. Then if you see this market, if this market goes and breaks beyond, above, and this candle, this market moves above, I always told you, wait for a retest. This is when we take our buys. So if this candle opens and the market keeps on pushing down, always wait for a retest in that range. That's when we shall be taking our sales. So this time round we saw the DXY, and this is, guys, this is the DXY chart. So guys, currently on the DXY chart we see this price this time round, it created a 4 p.m. candle, but we saw this market proceeded moving up. So here I told you shall be waiting for a retest. We only enter after a retest. So here we see this candle opened here at the 4 p.m. then the market pushed up. So for us, we shall be waiting for a retest, then to take our buy positions. So guys, you see how the 4 p.m. candle is more effective in the market. So here we go again right here. You can see right here. So this is where you are supposed to, maybe should I say, at times the market will be bad, it will react bad, at times it will be good. And I told you, whenever you're going to take any trade, always first watch how price reacts into your range. If price reacts, like if it gives a small move from your range, always just know that that range will always be broke. But if the price reacts more in your, like here you can see, though this is, I'm using a 30-minute time frame, but if you go in lower time frame, this is a big move, guys. So they made a clean move up, then we waited for a retest, then we went for long. So again here this is our 4 p.m. candle open right here, you can see it. So we shall mark it. At this time round, even you have to, this is where I said that you always have to add your that you, okay, let's say some teachings that I taught you before we started this. So here we see this is the 4 p.m. candle. So you see how market reacted. It was just a small move. The market pushed down. This was a hunt, then it went up, then it came back and retested. So here around we could have used the little knowledge that I gave you at first, that we always get the different candle that breaks the previous, that supports the breaking of the previous swing high. So we see here, at least here we had some internal structure. Should I call it internal structure? So if you see this internal structure, it was broken by this momentum. So we get this previous candle that breaks the previous swing high. So we take this candle here. We could have taken our trades, guys, you can see. So again, at that price, remember here, here the market played a lot around from this range. So we shall say this candle right here was not yet mitigated. This candle for the 4 p.m. open, so it was not yet mitigated. So just no price at least to come back. You get my point? At least the price will come back and mitigate that candle. At least it will come back and sit into it. Let's just call it resting, guys. That price will come back and rest into this range. On this 4 p.m. candle open right here, price will come back and sit. So if you look again, so we shall be doing this as we keep on going. So again here we see this is the 4 p.m. candle right here, the 4 p.m. open candle. You can see it right here. So if you pull this candle right here, you can see how price reacted from this range, but that at least price dropped, then it gave a push, then it came back in this range. At times it will never be perfect because the market will never be, so I'm trying this on the consolidating market. But if you find that the price is in a clear trend, giving a clear bias, like you can see here, we wait for a retest, then we go. We wait for a retest, then we go. But this time round, you can see this is a ranging market that we are trying to scalp. So we shall get our 4 p.m. candle open right here. You can see it. So we shall pull. We shall wait for this price to drop into this range. Then we shall be looking for selling opportunities. But here they tried to hunt us. But at the end, the market came and then gave the clear bias. You can see. Then gave the clear move for selling opportunities. So guys, for this video, I just want you to learn more about price and maybe make more use of that 4 p.m. candle open, guys, because it works a lot in the market. Look here, this was the 4 p.m. candle open. The market went, then it came back and retested, then it went. So here the market was a bit slow, but again we received another open. You can see how price was reacting into this range. It came, they tried to hunt us, then they gave another momentum down, just to, should I call it giving us our profits back? Okay, like, should I say what? Because at times people will put their stop losses just on this previous swing high, but for us, we always keep our stop loss tight. Those that trade with me, you know how we do it. So again here we received another 4 p.m. candle open right here. Price moved. As I said, we always wait for a retest, but remember this is a consolidating market. That's why I recommend always we trade such stuff. You can see at times, and you say that this price, yes, it's in the good moods. But here we saw this price was consolidating, so that's why I couldn't be recommending people to be trading such stuffs. You can see a consolidating market because I told you the market has, sorry for those mostly popping. So I told you the market always has three phases, guys. An uptrend, those have been following my streams. We have a ranging market, as you can see this market right here, and then we have a downtrend market. So it's the same example here. You can see right here, this is an uptrend, a clear uptrend right here. This is a clear uptrend right here. So, and here we received a consolidating market. You can see right here. Sorry for that. I'll put this back. So here again we received a consolidating market right here. You can see that this is a consolidating market. You can see that this is a consolidating market. Those are the second phase of the market cycle, consolidating. Then here we received a downtrend market. So the market only has three phases, guys. All you have to do, just try to understand my teachings, go back and watch those videos, because there is some information that they are going to sell you billions and billions, guys. So here we go again. So this is the 4 p.m. candle open right here. You can see right here, but this candle was not mitigated. At least this candle, this was on the small time frame. These were the small intervals. So I don't recommend, unless you have a premium trading view. That's when you could try trading such stuff. So here it is, guys. I told you we always wait for a retest. So you see how this market tried to create these rejections right here, showing that there is some momentum. But before these guys make the move, they always hunt first. Nowadays they will hunt you, but at the end they will give a clear move, you see. So but here they hunted us first, but here again they gave an entry right here. You can see this entry right here. So guys, that's why I told you always hit that subscribe button, like, comment, because guys, I keep on updating you on any change, on any stuff. Of course guys, I always give entries, those that watch my setups and signals, and so far guys, we have no loss. You can go back and retest, you can go back and check whether you are maybe, what should I say, has your back test on your trading view. You see how our trades have been going, guys. So far we have no loss on the YouTube setups, no loss for that. Some people can witness. Okay, here it is, guys. So here guys, this is the 4 p.m. candle open right here. But again, look how this price reacted in this range. You see, they ignored this range right here. Sorry, I didn't mean that. You see this price right here. This is the 4 p.m. candle open. Price moved, it went down. Remember our TP was right here after this candle opening. So we are looking for our entries here. Remember, this is where the 4 p.m. candle opened from, targeting this previous 4 p.m. 4 p.m. candle. So remember, after price reaching into this zone, we were looking for buying opportunities, pushing back this price to this 4 p.m. candle that opened. I don't know if I'm making sense, guys. So guys, I think this is just a start, because so far you have just been promoted from P1. So this is P2, guys, until you graduate. Those that will graduate, I think guys, I'll just fund you something like 100k each and everyone. You can start as long as you have the skill, guys, because my main aim here is everyone to grab that skill. As long as you have the skill, I'll be happy, guys. That's why I told you I'll be looking for some exclusives, those that show that are worthy to be funded, guys. I can fund you even more than you think, guys. So just pay attention to my lessons. Once you graduate, maybe like if you get into P5, I'll find some people that will show that have made some more, what should I call it, that have showing some big progress. If you show some big progress, guys, why shouldn't I fund you, guys? I'll fund you even more than what you think, guys. Let's just proceed into our lessons. Those that want more updates, just check in my Telegram group. You can go and check in my about. So guys, let's proceed again. So here, this is where the 4 p.m. candle opened from, but this one was not yet mitigated, meaning this price has to go back and mitigate this 4 p.m. candle open. After mitigating this 4 p.m. candle open, then price has to come back in this range. From here, this is where we should be looking for our buying opportunities. But here, remember, we got a head and shoulder right here. Those that remember, I provided this setup. you can go back and check. So we have just hit our TP right here. I gave some TP1, yes, and TP2 maybe, I remember very well. So guys, remember this is the 4 p.m. candle. Is it? Yes, 4 p.m. candle open. So we could be looking for buying opportunities here, targeting this 4 p.m. candle that we left behind without being mitigated. So after mitigating this candle, remember here, price never communicated, never gave us, or like, should I say this range right here? Because you can see this range already, it was mitigated. If we mark this candle right here, you can see price at least came back and it dropped in, then it went. So we always wait for price to communicate. So here we see price to moved with it created this 4 p.m. candle right here. You can see this 4 p.m. candle right here, but price has come back and dropped into this range, meaning we are looking for buying opportunities. Why? Where could be our tip? So guys, if you go back and back test, you'll find that there are more unmitigated 4 p.m. what? Let me first try to look for one. This could be a clear example right here. Let's see if here we could see a 4 p.m. candle opens right here. So right here, this range right here, guys, you can see price never came back to mitigate this area. So meaning this price is at least trying to go and mitigate this upper what? Since guys today it's a weekend, so this price at least will open again, will give us some more confirmations. Because as price, let's first see 4 p.m. open 4 p.m. Let's first look for it. First wait. You see how guys we can manage it forecast this price. Let's first see right here. So guys, let's first see. So here this is the, so here is our candle right here. You can see right here. So guys, we shall be waiting for this price. First wait for this price. This price will keep on moving, it will consolidate, it will whatever. But our aim, we shall want for this price to move. Let me first remove this, guys. We shall wait for that price to move, but at least it will drop in this range. This is where we shall get buying confirmations targeting that range right here. Let me show you this trick. I hope this is what I call trading price and time, guys. You see, we shall be targeting that range. You see how we are trying at least to forecast even before even the market moves, that we shall wait for our entries from this range from the 4 p.m. open, then we shall be targeting this previous 4 p.m. open that wasn't mitigated yet, guys. So I think, guys, I'm not being complicated, I'm not making anything complicated. So guys, where you haven't understood, please comment below so that we get to know. Those that want to be updated in each and everything, guys, simply just join our Telegram group so that we can keep you updated. Those that are interested in free setups and signals, you can still hit that subscribe button, like, comment. So guys, I could like to say I think that's for today, but I don't know if I've left anything untold. So here you can see the 4 p.m. candle open right here. So price came back and dropped into that range. That's why I always told you, always look for that different candle before the momentum that breaks the previous swing high. So if we try to mark this candle right here, you can see how price came back and targeted us. So we are waiting at least for, if they continue breaking whatever they are doing, for us we shall be waiting for them here again on the 4 p.m. Then we shall look for buying opportunities. That's what I call price and time. Understand price and time, mainly time, guys. According to me, understand time. So guys, this is just P2, but I'm pretty sure some of you are already 99% profitable, guys. So that's it, guys. Here we see this is the 4 p.m. candle open. So it marked the different candle that breaks the previous, that supports the momentum that breaks the previous swing high. After marking it, we wait for this price to come back and retest. So here it came, it retested. So let's first see. Here we could be looking for our buys from this range, targeting the other 4 p.m. candle that wasn't mitigated, that I've shown you. So guys, if you try to study the ICT, guys, this stuff will be much complicated. That's why I want to break down into at least simple stuffs, like always look for that different candle that breaks the previous swing high. Just look for that 4 p.m. candle open. Such stuffs that are simple, guys, just to make sure that nothing is complicated, guys. I think, guys, that's for today. And guys, please put in more effort, because guys, at the end, I'll look for people that have been putting in more effort, and I'll just find those people so that they can start their breakthrough. Guys, thank